O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials trading down 775. NASDAQ down 239. S&P's down 73. That's a downdraft out here in the Dow, folks, of 2.7%, 2% in the NASDAQ, and 2.1 on the S&P's. Gold contract flat, $1,905 an ounce. Silver down 26 cents, $24.41 an ounce. Light sweet crude off $1.24, $38.61 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note up 9 ticks, 138.20. The 30-year bond up a full point plus 1 tick at 173.20. Both notes and bonds, folks. Bottom line, they saved themselves once again. They're jumping right back into the higher range. Higher price, lower yield. King dollar down. King dollar up 276 ticks, trading 93.04. The euro is at 118. The yen is at 104.85, and the British pound is at 130 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we've had two. Well, you had more than two, but the bottom line, the S&P as well as the Qs have been an ABC structure on the way down. We went for this last Thursday, and it failed. Bottom line is that you got it on price. You broke the B point. If we start with the SPY, the B point on the SPY was 341.01. Didn't have the volume. Today, you have the volume. You broke the B point, and the S&P. Now, an ABC structure on the way up or the way down, folks, okay? You can do a 1-to-1, a 1-to-0.382, 1-to-50, 1-to-0.618. What that would mean that the first move's 10. Most of the time, it's a 1-to-1, 10 up, 10 down. Next, 10 up, 10 down. Then you get a 0.382, which would be the first move is 10. Next can be 13.82. Next one would be 10, can be 15, which is 1.5, or 10, 16.8, which is a 1.618. Well, the SPY just finished, and this is pretty amazing. So the price projection on the SPY was 335.70. Well, we hit 335.62. That's in the SPY, okay? So that one just finished. NDX 100, different ballgame. This is where you can see where the weakness is going to come in here. And the NDX 100, the 3 Qs, the bottom line is that we traded down at 276.76. Well, the ABC structure on the way down, which we took out the B point today, we need, we're going to need 5 more million shares in the next hour. I expect we're going to get it, though. You need more than 36.7 million shares. This price projection is 272.95. So you can see inside of the Qs, you're talking about another 6 points. And now let's go over to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Bottom line is that they're just ripping apart the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow Industrials is that you're down 767. This is going after, this totally blew away the B point. But this will give you an understanding of where you can actually go. My take here, folks, is that we're going to go right back to the lows that were established on the 24th of September. That's where we're heading for right now. And you can see that low inside the Dow Industrials is 26,537. You know, the high is at 27,094. Yeah, bottom line is that it's another 900 points down inside of the Dow Industrials. Gold contract held out here. Unusual when you get a market that sells off this fast, this furious. Bottom line, gold contract rejected lower price at $18.92. You're trading $19.04. And notes and bonds. Notes and bonds, bottom line, Eveready Bunny, once again, they were getting hammered, broke the consolidation that they had been in. The prior 7 days before today, they went one way. They broke their swing low from the 28th of August. Inside the 30, that swing low is 173.16. And guess what? It lasted all of 3 days. They jumped right back inside it. Bottom line, you can expect the note and bond market to basically head higher, get back inside the, well, they're inside the range right now, but the way this market's trading, my take is that we're going to keep going south. The bonds are going to keep going north. King dollar is still shaky. King dollar is putting up a fight. There's no two ways about that. In order to stay away from the 91 area, King dollar last week got down to 92.474. The 91 area comes in, that was the swing low that was established out here on the 1st of September. Some of the equities inside the Dow, so everything is red inside the Dow by a good amount, too. We take a look at the leader on the way down out here is Salesforce. That's putting 64 negative points. United Health, 58. Home Depot, 53. Boeing, 51. The least down of Verizon, that's still putting 41 negative points. Walgreens, rather, 91. Inside the NDX 100, and the NDX 100, you talk about a head fake out here this morning, folks. It's pretty amazing. The NDX 100 started at 7 o'clock in the morning. Well, I was watching it at 7 o'clock in the morning. It was down 100 points. Takes it all back at the open, goes higher. Here, well, let me just show you this, because this is pretty amazing, and you don't get to see this quite a bit. Wrong screen. Let me put it up on this one, NQZ. So if we take a look at the futures inside of this NDX, what you're going to see is that we had, come on, baby, there she is. You had a high out here today of 11,695, okay? Market opened up, it popped all the way up to 695 and then just dove. It dove 350 points. It was a one-way move on the way down. Bottom line, you get a little counter trend bounce out here. When all's said and done, folks, ABC downs across the marketplace. That's what you have happening here. They're blowing away the B points. They're blown away with volume. And you got to remember something. If you understand an ABC down, they're straight line moves, okay? So you can picture that this is going to be a straight line move. Dow Industrials down 800, NASDAQ down 250, S&P's down 76. We'll come right back.